Which camera am I supposed to look at?
We both look at that one. No, that one. Nope, over there. Nope, there. Hello and welcome to a very special Christmas couple episode. We're going to teach you how to do a vintage style wrapping in a very easy and simple way that gets it right every time and looks fantastic.
He said I've never done it.
And Louise is going to try her best to try and do exactly what I'm doing based on the instructions that I give to you. You are going to need a box, some vintage wrapping paper of your choice, some double-sided Scotch tape, some single-sided Scotch tape, a pair of scissors, some twine, some artificial holly or evergreen, and an official North Pole wax seal. Let's get started. So what you're gonna do is you want the bottom to go about 2/3 up. So put your, this high up the box.
Oh, up the side of
the side. You are going to put this on the edge, and you want to take the top and wrap it all the way over so that it meets
the whole thing,
the base on the other side. The whole thing. Good, so mark that with your fingers and kind of hold that, and you're gonna cut all the way up on there. It doesn't have to be exact, better to go a little over than a little under.
Ooh, that's satisfying. It was like...
Now what you're going to do is measure from the bottom, that 2/3 height. You're going to do the same thing at the top, and you're going to cut across where that is.
Hold on.
So I know mine is about 2 boxes high, so we're gonna take it about 1 box, 2 box, right there. So above this line, I'm gonna cut straight across.
1.5 boxes. Insert some fun anecdote about wrapping. Maybe we'll find a tiny gift that we can use this later for. Wait, why would you do that?
Nope, we don't do patchwork. Next step. Okay, make sure your box is nice and even on the squares. It's important you get wrapping paper with squares on the back. It makes it a lot easier. Take about 2 to 3 fingers width, and you're gonna take Scotch tape.
Does it have to be Scotch?
Yeah. Can be any kind of tape.
Duct?
Pieces there, not duct tape. Well, just follow the instructions.
I'm trying, you're going so fast.
Okay, now do a nice crease all the way down the side here. Pull from the other side, pull the wrapping paper tight, and get a nice crease all the way from top to bottom like this. Just slide all the way down with your fingers. There you go. You are going to go all the way across, double-sided sticky tape, down the side, and you're gonna put that.
Where are you getting that from?
I put you some over here.
Oh, he's just like, voila! Magic.
Okay, and then just tape it down. Once it's taped down, you want to crease all the edges. Nice and sharp.
Sharp?
Yep, sharp corners, sharp edges.
Sharp corner things. These are not gifts for children.
Take your time. You're doing great. Next, you're gonna fold the 2 bottom corners in like this and make little triangles on both sides. Okay? See how this is folded in and made a triangle right here, an angle, and you're gonna do the same on both sides. Make sure nice and flat, nice and sharp. And you're gonna do the same thing with the top. You're gonna fold in the edges like this, and then you're going to take some double-sided tape.
I don't think I've ever used double-sided tape to wrap a gift ever in my life.
Put it straight across on the bottom, on the edges, all right? And so once you got some double-sided tape there, you just come straight up and push it onto the box. You're gonna do the same to the top. Okay, and then you're gonna fold the bottom up like this, and you just repeat the same thing on the other side, just like this. And then you're gonna do the same thing on top.
I've forgotten what to do at this point. Okay, so
as Louise catches up, you can see that my box looks great. It's got sharp corners. You'll always want to crease all the way around, make your corners very sharp.
I'll tell you what my favorite part of your box is, the humility.
See, that looks good. We're not done yet. Still,
wait,
still plenty more to do. So you want about 10 feet of twine. You're gonna wrap it around your box just like they used to do. Just like they used to do in the olden times. Take your twine, find the middle.
It's got like hair on it.
Oh yeah, it's vintage. Okay. So you're gonna put the top of the box on the bottom.
I'm allergic to twine.
The top of the box on the bottom. It looks like yours already is. And you're going to take the middle
like it already is.
And slide it under. Okay, and you're going to cross over both sides. Move it to the middle until you got some nice parallel tracks here right in the middle of your package. You're gonna take your left hand and go south, and you're gonna take your right hand and go north, essentially 90-degree turn. There you go. And you're just gonna make it in the middle, and then you're gonna flip your box over, and you're gonna do tracks again. So you should have it looks like this. So now what you're gonna do is you are going to slide underneath that top layer.
With which one?
Both of them go underneath. So this direction's gotta come back and under, and this direction's gotta come back and under. All right, and then make your tracks again. Okay, and you're gonna make 2 big U's. Take your top and fold it over like this and make 2 loops. You're gonna take the top and loop it, take the top and loop it. Take one end of either loop, and you're gonna put it through the loop on the other string. Okay, and then you're gonna take both ends, find both ends,
Got 'em.
and then you're gonna pull. So what you have is a nice, easy knot, and with this, you can loop it and do a little bow tie.
Now that I can do.
Then you cut off all your extra. Really pretty twine on a package. And it looks like this now. Take some faux holly,
Folly.
and you're going to slide it straight through the middle to where it catches on the knot. The next thing we're going to do is something that I ordered
There's
off of
more.
Amazon. Oh yeah, we got 2 more steps. This is a wax seal that I ordered off of Amazon. It's really cool. It says North Pole Official. So what we're going to do is we're going to take some of this red wax. We're going to break it off. Spoon. You wait for it to melt.
Oh. I like hold in the other blob so it doesn't come out. Smush into it. Mm-hmm. Official seal of Christmas. Oops.
So now what you've got is a beautiful wax seal that kind of makes it look official. And so I'm gonna do this for Olivia and put it all in all of Santa's gifts. All right, there's one last piece.
How is there more to this?
A vintage Christmas card
Oh.
where you would write a note in it and you slide it in the opposite side of your holly. Just a tiny bit on the top to hold it in place. And now you have a couple of great looking gifts.
Cute.
Yours looks great.
Thanks.
You did such a good job. I'm super proud of you.
Thanks.
And that is how you wrap a vintage style Christmas gift. Thank you so much for watching. Take it, Louise.
Thanks. What?
See you next week.
Got it.
Like and subscribe. Take it, Louise.
Can you say your part again?
That'll be it.